Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to be taking you through some fantastic classic Pilates moves that will move your leg through its entire range of motion, strengthen, sculpt and tone the muscles and give you a fantastic lower body workout. All you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started. To perform these exercises, we need to be lying down on our side. So make sure that your elbow is in line with your shoulder, your back is aligned with the edge of your mat. Your hips are directly stacked on top of one another and your navel's pulling deep in towards your spine. Your shoulders are relaxed and away from your ears. Your legs are even, so you really want to reach that top leg long so both heels can touch. The toes are slightly turned out so you're externally rotated and keeping the femur correctly aligned within the hip socket. Now we're going to bring that leg up to hip height, so just make sure the leg is lifted and stays in line with the hip the whole way through. We flex the foot, we pull the abs in, we pulse forward twice, and then we point and reach and lengthen and stretch for that back corner. Good, keep the heel turned down towards the ground the whole way through. 8, and reach. 7, this is called your side kick. And 6, so it moves your hip through flexion and extension, flexing and then extending. Good, reach forward and then lengthen. Fantastic for your flexibility, your range of motion, strengthening, sculpting and toning the muscles. Keep that leg lifted and reach. Now we're going to bring the legs back together. Keep the toes turned out. This time we lift up and we flex, reach and lower down, bring those heels back together. Now I want you to imagine that you're pressing through wet concrete, stretching down and trying to bring those heels back together. 8, squeeze down. And 7, really press those heels together and keep the leg as long as you can. Imagine growing out of the hip joint just that little bit longer. Reaching up and pulling down. Keep pulling your navel towards your spine and keep your hips stacked the whole way through. This hand is here for support. 2 more. 2. And 1 last time. Now point through that toe. You're going to brush past your heel and circle for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now change directions. 10, 9, 8, 7. Brush that heel every time. Smooth circles without moving the pelvis. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring it back to hip height. Last exercise here. We're going to reach forward. Now bring your heel to your bottom and I want you to keep that shape. So keep pulling the heel in the whole way through until that leg is back behind you. Then reach as far as you can. 4 more like this. Squeeze the heel in, reach back. 3, squeeze and reach. 2 more. Keep those shoulders down and away from the ears. 1 last time. Now we reverse that, we pull the heel in, we bring the knee all the way forward and then you reach and stretch and lengthen. 4, bring it in, reach long. 3, bring it in and stretch. 2, and 1 last time, really stretch, bring the leg back to the center, lower down. Repeat that circuit 3 times through and then change to the other side. Now, if you want to access over 500 full-length, real-time workouts, check out our online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have a range of mat workouts, small apparatus workouts, rehabilitation, flexibility, strength, reformer, programs, challenges. Whatever you're looking for, you'll find it on our online studio. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you at the next workout.